How to make and create illustration book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for book cover. Click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down until you find the illustration book cover. Click on see all and choose any template you want from here. You have, for example, this one. As you can see, you can edit everything just from here. And yeah, after you finish editing, all what you have to do is go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.